Hey, what's going on, guys? Saul here with another DOM element series. So we're gonna learn about the query selectors. These are the responsible for your what we call the CSS elements. Yeah, this is the other total reason. So let's begin. There are two type of query selectors. One of them called the query selector, and other one is query selector all. So you need to pass CSS property, and you can easily manipulate their what we call CSS properties. So let's begin. So here what I'm gonna do is call the document, and what I'm gonna do inside that, how you change classes with the CSS. Just you need to pass classes. So here I'm gonna pass delete. You know, we all have seen delete. So if we use query selector, it gonna returns you the first element. It would be a string. So you want to change its color to yellow. How are we gonna do that? Dot style, what the heck, I messed up my spelling, so style dot background color, so BACK, oh wait, what, dot BACK background. You can easily manipulate their CS properties by using this. So here what I'm gonna do is equals to red, and throw that. Oh, it's already red. So let's change. This time what I'm gonna do pass is yellow. So yellow, and throw that. And yeah, you need to give a equal sign and enter. See, it's easily changed into yellow. So this is the way it does. And the query selector all, what it does is it will return you all of those. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put the values inside of what we call x. So, and it would be all. So all, and we're gonna create a variable, let a equals document dot background color. So enter that. Wait, what? Oh yeah, oh, I do not need to do this though. Just put all the values and enter that. Wait, what? Query selector, query selector all. Oh, it's already been declared, so it's not gonna work. That's why didn't work. So V, that would be okay. So enter. Yeah. Now we can use those and manipulate those. Like here, if you pass 2, this was defined. If you pass 3, this is the one defined. It's like the array. Just now pass a style dot background, and now we're gonna change to something like black, and yeah, it's changed into black now. So this is the way it does work. You can manipulate the CSS properties with the query selector, and the manipulate those what we call elements with get elements. So hope you guys understand. And in the next tutorial, I'm gonna talking about how to manipulate the attributes. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.